see what we will find. Don't leave me alone at this time, for I'm afraid of what I will discover in the sun. You told me that I would find a hole within the fragile substance of my soul, and I have filled this void with things unreal, and all the while my character is steel. The darkness is a monster, don't you think? Yeah, it dominates the things I see.
Hey, what's up, man?
That all my bridges have been burned, but you say that's exactly how this grace thing looks. It's not that long will come that will change this heart, but the welcome I receive with the restart.
Hey, Eric's jamming out. Caleb, check out Eric.
You've gone too far this time. You have neither reason nor rhyme with which to take this soul that is so rightfully mine.